It never ceases to amaze me just how big some stores scale with incredibly simple products. In today's video, I want to share with you a store that I found. I was doing a bit of research that is completely going crazy when it comes to scaling. I mean, look at this traffic distribution. They're at 4.2 million monthly visitors now, selling a perfume. It's a pheromone perfume, and it's just going absolutely crazy. Now, first things first, one thing you can observe from the brand is they are running this on a subscription. So you can opt in to subscribe, or rather opt out to subscribe. The default is opt in. And that basically allows them to scale incredibly fast because people are going to be subscribed, so they can basically just lose money on the front end of the business running meta ads, which they do. So I'm going to show you some of their meta ads. I'm going to dissect this deeply and share with you a bit of our blueprint right now that we're using at our agency to start launching some of our own projects, which are doing quite well and converting really well. And it basically entails we're actually building a really, really incredible system for this that you can use for free. So it starts out with our AI store builder. You can download this in a few clicks, and then you'll be able to use the same theme that we're using on both of these stores that we recently launched, for example. And then, of course, I'll show you too how you can source products actually just like this and launch your business with virtually zero in startup capital. So that's kind of my goal with these videos. I want to show you what's possible out there, and also recruit talent out there, people interested in doing these things, so that we can plug you into our systems too. But let's just go down the funnel here. So the first thing that I mentioned is the subscription, but the second thing is the offer. So you're getting a buy one, get one free at $29. So I think the way that they're able to do that is they likely charge for shipping. So they probably charge $5 or $6 for shipping. So that basically covers the cost of a free one and a little bit more, actually. So that's a brilliant. Oh wait, never mind. It's free shipping. I'm so blind. So yeah, they're actually doing free shipping. So never mind. They're just literally willing to lose money in the front end, which is pretty crazy. That's actually a huge moat that you can have when you run a product like this, is that other people are not going to be able to scale to this level simply because this is just way too cheap of a product. But I would imagine that their average order value is actually way higher than 29. Anytime that I set up bundles like this, I always get it basically doubles the AOV of the product. It's actually insane just how well it works to just offer simple bundles like this. Now, if we go down here, we can see they got a really nice landing page. So they got some Facebook comments here, which is super good for adding trust. I really love this. And I love the gradient on this page. It's very branded. Then they got some more UGC testimonials. That's basically what it's all about, right? Is the testimonials. And then, yeah, even more testimonials, and then some questions. And then they finally get into like some of the features of the product. So it goes to show just how powerful having good trust can really be. And then, a comparison chart, another button here. So there's another cool thing is they have more buttons on the landing page. And then finally, the reviews, they're just using looks reviews, it seems. And that's about it. So one of the other things I wanted to showcase here is the product images, because a lot of people sleep on having good product images. And what I mean by that is, I see this a lot with beginners, right? So whenever people join my platform, Shopilab, so Shopilab is a resource center and learning center and community for Shopify builders. So basically what you can do here is you can access a bunch of tools, but it's actually a free community. But what I see a lot from the people joining that ask for feedback on their stores is they always have really lame product images. They either have images from like some AliExpress supplier, which, by the way, I would never recommend you use AliExpress to build your business around. That's just a bad idea, honestly, especially in 2026. But they always have really bad product images. So I actually think this is one of the most important things that you can do, is just really make some solid product images, right? And of course, a really good offer helps, and a really good product helps too. But like, the images, man, like really try to focus on making better images. So I'll show you how you can do that. I can copy this image, for example, and I can use a tool called DraftPi, which my agency team built. Shout out to the agency team, you know who you are. And basically what I can do here is I can actually just find a relevant product in this category. I can use my sourcing. This isn't my sourcing platform, but it's the sourcing platform that I use. It's called Team Drop. So this is how I fulfill all of the orders on these stores. how I list products on here, and also how I'm branding products, like setting up little inserts. And that's how you build a really, really nice business with a lean inventory model. Actually, so these guys have this product on here already, which is pretty interesting. I probably wouldn't do that though. I highly suggest that you don't just rip this brand. Obviously, these guys are in Asia, so they don't really care about the products that they list here when it comes to, like some of these branded products. But I would not sell that. I would just actually sell a completely different variant, like something like this, right? This looks really nice. So we could just do this, for example, and we can just take one of these bottles. I'll just take the black one and I'll copy it here, and I'll say, swap out the bottle from the first image in red with the bottle in the second image in white. Make everything else the same. And then I can just make this 1:1 ratio, which is the same as this. And then I'll just basically click generate. And then what this will do is it will generate product images. So this is actually one of the best workflows these days in order to just have success with Shopify. It's just making really amazing product images and then making really amazing static ads. Those two things alone can quite literally take you to 100K a month with your Shopify store. And I know because that's exactly what we're doing, and also exactly what we're teaching our accelerator members and the system that we're trying to build across a variety of stores. So you'll see here they'll start populating. So that took maybe 10 seconds, maybe less. And for some reason, it made the product white, which is kind of interesting. I'll just redo it, right? But you get the point, right? Like that worked extremely well. And I would actually probably change up the vibe as well, because if you completely copy it, they could potentially DMCA you. This one's much better. So you see, this is just an incredible time to be building an e-commerce business, because you can create just this amazing product experience or branding experience on your Shopify store. And again, if I had to tell you the number one thing to focus on your product images, focus on making a really good offer. That's about it. So that's about it for the website, right? It's actually quite simple. It's not that crazy. It is beautifully branded, right? So they did take the time to brand it very beautifully with like cool fonts and everything. But some of these fonts don't even match. And but yeah, these fonts are really nice. These are definitely very branded. So sometimes just having a really nice font can make or break your store. I think that can make a huge difference. In fact, the store builder theme that we have, that's absolutely free, by the way. A lot of these resources are literally free. Even DraftPi you can use for free, actually. It just has a set amount of credits that you get for free, because otherwise we would go broke with people just generating things for free, because it uses Nano Banana Pro, which is the latest, hottest model for image generation. But even for this builder theme that we have, that we use on these stores, it's actually quite simple. And I would say that's a better thing to do, is to keep your store very simple and maybe focus on having just a cooler font. That alone can make it pretty interesting. Now let's dive into the ads, because they have over 600 active ads at once. So that's pretty crazy, right? That's a lot of ads to have on at once, but it's not uncommon for brands at this level. In fact, almost every single brand that I see at this level that's, primarily come from the e-com trenches, which I keep up with a lot of those brands, especially as an agency owner and overall just business owner, right? I feel like I'm almost like, I don't even know. I have no job role, literally. Like what I do is just so unique. Nobody else really does exactly what I do across all my businesses and an ecosystem that I've built here. But this stuff is really helpful for me to do. Anyways, you can see these guys are very clearly highlighting the offer in static ads. I think this is also a really great ad format that you can test. So I can also test this one and say, I'll just swap these out. And then I'll use this one again, and we'll see what happens. And I'll say bottles with the bottle in the second image. So yeah, I'm just definitely curious to see, because again, like I just told you, product images and ads, that's like the two things that I'm focusing on right now with these stores, because, well, and of course like product research too. But because these are like the two things that I think are really big needle movers for your store. And I just want to make it as easy as possible for myself to be able to launch products and to make images. So this is kind of the formula, right? You find a competitor like I just did, and then we basically just get inspiration from their best ads or best products to launch something similar, right? So that we don't have to guess necessarily what's going to work. But of course, even then, it could still not work. But the point is, you're at least giving yourself the best chance to make it work. And as you see, these are populating, and this one looks awesome. So this looks super cool. But again, I would probably try to make it a little bit different. I would prompt this slightly different so that it doesn't give me just the same exact output as the competitor, because I don't want to get in trouble with them. I don't want to fight like a war with, these guys that are obviously already at such a high level. But you can see some of the images they're launching. It's so simple. It just says, "Smell like heaven, scientifically formulated with authentic pheromones, up to 12 hours lasting power." And some of these images, like, they just look so good, but they're so easy to replicate these days. And that's why I'm kind of going all in on images these days. I do test videos as well, but I really love images just because of how easy they are to create. And then, of course, like, it seems like the most powerful strategy right now for videos is just recruiting affiliate creators or doing, affiliate creators are powerful because they're selling the product for you, and they're incentivized to make as much content as possible, so then you have a lot of content that you can work with for your brand. Now, you're not going to start out that way with a drop shipping store, right? But that's why I like to use Team Drop, because I order all the products that I sell on our stores. I tend to order almost all of them, and they tend to be really, really solid. The quality is really good, especially from, shipping from China. It's actually so cool. So let's go back to ad library. So they're running some of these Black Friday sales. So they have this other product now, actually. They're promoting this other product too, which is pretty interesting. So it's the Silk Body Oil. So it's a body oil plus the pheromone. That's super smart. So these guys are so good at what they do, and they're constantly testing new things. So now they're testing this higher average order value bundle, which is pretty interesting. And it's working really well for them. You can see they're running a lot of ads towards it now. Interesting. So they're running all kinds of static ads that are really, really odd. And this is just such a great creative diversity mix that they got going on. Like, they have videos, they have images, but actually I'm seeing more images than anything. They got a pretty good mix though, honestly. It's pretty equal. Now, when it comes to, like I said, UGC sourcing content, hire affiliate creators. You can go on TikTok and just start messaging people, on Instagram and start messaging people. You can hire people on Fiverr as well to get some additional content. But you can even make AI content these days as well. So a lot of cool stuff. But look at they're even running like meme formats. That's so interesting. Go to For Her is 50% off, but only for Black Friday. So these are some of their Black Friday ads. So one of the things that Meta Ads Library does is you can sort by impressions high to low. So these are literally their highest impression ones, and it's the ones with just a very clear offer on them. So it just goes to show how well that can work. And then one other thing I want to mention to you is how I found this brand, because some people, they wonder how I find these ideas. And oftentimes, I'm not going to lie, it's literally this simple. I just looked up buy one, get one free in the Meta Ads Library, which is free. I'm coming up, and that's like a pretty standard offer that a lot of people run, and it's very successful. And as you see, these guys are running it, and that's basically how I found it. So that's how I do a lot of research these days, is just Meta Ads Library. I really like it because I like to run ads on Meta primarily. So it's a good way to get ideas for products, for ads, especially static ads, since we can make static ads so easily. Wow, this store is printing with these products. And so you see, that's a very simple product research method. And then of course I talk to Team Drop, the sourcing team there. I tell them that I'm from the Shopify Lab community. You should absolutely do that. They will always put you in a priority queue if you do that. And then also just kind of do product research on here as well, based on what I see on Meta. So that's about it for this video. I wanted to just showcase this to you just because of how crazy the traffic is on here. It truly makes me feel like e-com is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Simpler ideas are finding more success than ever before, to levels that I didn't even really think were possible personally, because I haven't reached them. And I actually didn't think it was possible with something so simple like this, but it absolutely is. So yeah, I'm just very excited for the future of ecom, and I'm very excited to be building this community here of business, finance, and just in general, like trying to learn more and more every single day. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and make sure you check out some of the links in the description for the resources that I listed. A lot of them are completely free, so there's no reason for you not to use them, especially since you know they actually work. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Peace out. Oh, actually, sorry, there was one more thing I wanted to show you, which is the Smart Reply comment tool here. This is something I try to use in these videos. I forget sometimes because it's not like the biggest deal in the world, but I love to see, I mean, I'm not trying to be a hater, but I like to see the comments that brands get, because it just shows me that a lot of brands, are actually just like you and me in the sense that, they have things that go wrong. They have customers that hate on them. They have customers that are not happy, but a lot of times they have customers that are happy, or sometimes we can see that brands are not replying to things very often. These guys actually are doing a great job at hiding comments, but they're not doing a great job at actually replying to all of their comments, which maybe there's a reason for that, but that's what Smart Reply does. And a lot of huge enterprise Shopify brands actually use Smart Reply, and it's saving hundreds of thousands of dollars for all the brands out there, because it works 24/7. So you don't need like 10 different VAs, right, handling 24/7 customer service at this scale. You only need one software tool, which is Smart Reply. So, it's pretty cool. And you can actually use this comment finder for free. I use this to try to look at all the brands that I'm like dissecting, just to see what people are saying in the comments. It actually gives you a lot of great ideas for marketing angles that you can talk about. You can actually see, for example, a lot of people are commenting in Spanish. So even testing a brand like this, but in Spanish, could be very interesting. A lot of different things that you can do and learn from some of this data. So hopefully that was helpful in some way. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.